Case with 1, you are given that the measure of MN is 70 degrees, so you know that the arc is equal to 70. Then to find arc NQR, you know that NQR is a semicircle, so it is 180 degrees. So you know the arc is 180. So you know that MN and QR are both vertical angles, so you know that it can be 70 degrees. So 70 is the arc. Then QMR, to find QMR, you can take 360 minus 70 because you know that QR is equal to 70 and a circle equals 360 degrees. So your answer for that one is 290. To find PRN, you do minus 360 from 380 from 360, which is 280. And then to find PQ, you are given that it's 30 degrees, so the arc measures 30. Then to find for F, you know that the you know that 70, that MN is 70, so you can take 360 minus 70, which is 290. And then for MR, you know that you are given that 70 is angle, so you know that you can take 180 minus 70 because of the semicircle, and you get 110 to equal MR. To solve problem 2, you need to use the arc length formula, which is arc AB is equal to the measure of arc AB over 360 times 2 pi radius. So in this picture, it is given that the measure of the arc AB is 145. So then when you put that in there, you take 145 over 360 times 2 pi times the radius, which is 14.2. Then when you solve, you get AB to approximately be 35.936. Okay, going on to problem 3. For this one, you're trying to find the circumference of a formula, but you need to use the arc length formula again. So, to refresh your memory, the arc length formula is arc AB is equal to the measure of the arc AB over 360 times 2 radius pi. So, it is given that the arc is 12, so you can put 12 is equal to 85, since measure of arc AB is 85 over 360 times 2 radius pi. Now you can take both sides by 360 over 85 because when you multiply a fraction, you need to flip it. Or when you divide a fraction, you need to flip it. And you can just do that and then solve for the circumference because 2 pi is the formula for the circumference. So you will get the circumference equal 50.8235.
Aren't you looking for the circumference? Yeah.
For problem 4, you just need to go one step further. And so you know that 14.2 is the arc length. So 14.2 is equal to 132, since that is the degree measure of AB, over 360 times 2 pi radius. So then you multiply both sides by 360, so you get 360 times 12.5 is equal to 132 times pi times radius, which then is going to be 264 pi.
No, I can't see anything right now.
Multiply those two together. Then you need to divide both sides by pi, 264 pi, so that you get radius equal 5.427 to 4257.
It's backwards. Oh well. They'll get over it.
What'd you get 4? Oh, never mind. It's 264. Never mind. Keep going.
Stop messing me up.
Now for problem 5, we are trying to find the you need to use the circumference formula in order to find the perimeter of the semicircle that is there. So your circumference formula is circumference is equal to 2d pi. Well, you know that your diameter is 6, as given in the picture, so your circumference is equal to 6 pi. Well, you need to divide that by 2 because you only need the circumference of the half circle, so when you divide it by 3, by 2 you get 3 pi. Then, because you have 3 sides of a rectangle, you need to times 6 because all sides are congruent. You need to times 6 by 6 times 3, and then add 3 pi, and you will get 18 plus 3 pi. And when you plug that into your calculator, you will get 27.424. Okay, for problem 6 on homework check 10.2, you need to use both formulas because you have 2
Just a tad.
For the other one, circumference is equal to 2 pi radius, and then you can put in 5 for the radius, so you get circumference is equal to 2 pi 5, and then when you multiply those, you get 10 pi. Then you need to add both of them to get the perimeter, and you get 12 pi plus 10 pi is equal to 22 pi, which is approximately 69.115. So that is your perimeter, and that is it for homework check 10.2.